Hey guys, today I'm going to be back in a video. And today I'm going to be playing Barry Ivany for roleplay by myself. So, first of all, it's morning time, which is, I think I should go somewhere, which is a very nice place on the afternoon. And I'm going to unlock my door so I can get out. And so I'm going to lock the door. And get there. I don't know where is my garage. I don't know what is going on today, but usually this day, it's a bad day and it's a good day for now on because I see some neighbors around on here. Let's see, where could I go? Someone's riding a bike, let them go first because I don't want to run them over and stuff. So let's see. I'm gonna go take fast on them. Just past. She's coming quick, so you gotta go really quick so before she comes, cause I don't want to kill her and stuff, cause maybe it would be a bad day. The grocery is 2 hours away. Oh no, it's raining. It's not supposed to be raining while I'm trying to go to the grocery store. I don't know why is it raining. Oh my gosh, where's the grocery store? Okay, hold on, okay. Hold on. Okay, this is the school, but I don't need to go there. I need to go to the school. Let's see, let me get some coffee right now. Run inside. Run. Ugh. Hello, what would you like to order? Can I order a sweet cream Coke brew with gummy worms in it, please? Coming up right there for you right now. After a few minutes later, there you go. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, bye. Okay. Now that's all that cares. She's a little crazy since we never cried. We only came forward. I really don't know the address to this grocery store, but I think I found the grocery store. This is a new city, and we're in New York. Like, New York is such a cute place for everyone and stuff, and really, every New York place is like, it feels like it's my city. Okay, now, did I lock my car? Is my car locked? Yeah, it's my car. Why do I have to run in this rain? Hurry up. Why is it so far away? Should have parked right there. But I don't know why, for some reason, I parked right there. Let's see. Let me get my groceries. Where's the carts? Oh, Right here. Give me my card. Hmm. Get some vegetables since I like them. I can't get the bananas, that sucks. That sucks that I can't get the bananas. Okay, so I get the apple, the grapes, some more apples. Usually you want some baby food, baby food. Lots of baby food because, and lots of rice because it's very healthy for you. Only one bag of Lay's chips. Now, anyways, I don't care about the chips because since I don't eat them a lot, like a little bit of sugar can get to sugar since I'm not addicted to sugar that much, really. Now, chili paper, yeah, and this and spray paint for when we want to spray. Emily and Amelia and Austin and Brittany are all on the summer break, are all at the beach without me with Max, which is their dad and stuff. Because the beach is too hot and I don't want to go there since it's so stupid, which is I don't want to. Which is at first when it began, I literally showed one clip. I showed a clip of them playing at the beach, but it was only like flash warning. It only was like one half like it went up and then went back and then went back to me. Then like it went up and then went back to me so fast. So and I have to run in this way all the time. Like, why can't it go any faster? Finally, get in my car right now. Leave. I'm literally leaving. I can't take anything anymore. Where should I go? I literally think I'm supposed to go this way because I don't really know where's my house at. Oh no, that looks like a lost lace place right there because if I go to that place, then I don't know what would happen to me. Look like a stone rocked. Which way? Is it this one? I don't know. Let me just check. Yeah, I think it's this one because I think I came from here. No, it wasn't this one. So let me just cross by this and let me just turn on the radio because like I don't want to hear no music, but as I see I don't know what's really going on today, guys, because I'm so obsessed with the rain. Like, the rain is literally raining today, and like today they're literally at the beach because there's nothing at home, right? Because that's how nothing is home. I'm so sleepy. I just want to go back home. Why is the police officers right there? Must have did something bad. Look, I can't find my house. I'm literally gonna be stuck out here if I don't literally find my house. Like, this time I'm going this way. I'm going this way. Wait, no, that's the coffee shop, right? Okay, so okay, how do I go home? I need the address. Could someone tell me where I could go home? Because Like, and for real, I think I lost my house because I don't really see it. My house is not right here. It's like a place I'm sorry. I think I'm lost, guys. Like, I don't know where my house is. I think my roleplay is ruined. Like, what is going on? Hey guys, I told you to watch to the end because if you watch this into the end, it literally is a bad thing. I don't know why I keep crashing. What is going on, guys? Guys, why can't I find my house? Please tell me why. Please, please, please. Like, where is my house? Like, where is it? Where is it? Wait. Should I just keep going straight and then go that way? See that way? Oh, but it keeps leading me this way. I'm going this way. I don't care. Fine, I'm going that way. If this is the way, I should have literally did this. Please, please, please get me home. I need to get home. I need to get home right now, please. I literally forgot my phone, so like I could like order my Cash App on my Cash App takes 20 minutes, and I have to get to my house right immediately now. So okay, Claire's got. Please, it's clear. Please clear the rain right now because like phew. Okay, let me in, please. Please let me in. Please. Let me in. Let me in. Open the door. Hey. That took longer than I expected. Oh my gosh, guys, please. Oh my gosh, guys, this is the end of the video. Like, I'm so sorry, guys, but it was the worst day ever. Wait, why is the curtain moving? They shouldn't be moving. Guys, ah!